Another simple card here. Just paint the hearts. I'm going to use 4 different colors of pinks and reds. I went out of the line just a tad. There we go, clean it up. That was Permanent Rose. Now I'm going to use Scarlet Lake. It's an orangey bright red. See how bright that is? Now I'm going to use, let's see, for this one I think I'm going to use Windsor Red. That's a very intense red. I always have to turn things around. The Scarlet Lake is wet, so if I happen to go across the line, it's going to bleed into that, but that's okay. It'll still be really pretty. Oh yeah, that red is just, that's red. This last one is going to be Alizarin Crimson. Another really pretty red. It's kind of a wine red. Hopefully I won't touch the other red, but if I do, that's okay. I'll just go with it. Go with the flow. Take some of the paint off of my brush because there's a lot on there. Let's get right next to the edge there. Let gravity help us. Oh, it's really pretty. I love that color. It's hard to see with the glare since the paint is wet, but let this dry. The outline I provided showed some shadow around the envelope and around a couple of the hearts. You don't have to add that. I'm going to add just a little bit. Just a little bit of shadow. Kind of smooth that out a little. There we go. It's almost a dry brush. Picking up some of that excess and kind of smoothing that edge and making the outline not quite so dark. Oh, little shadow there. Shadow there. I think that's good enough.